In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change time zone on GoCharting. This is a quick adjustment that makes a big difference, especially if you analyze markets across regions or want your charts to reflect your local time. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and how to make sure the displayed time matches what you expect. Start by focusing on the very bottom of your chart. Along the horizontal time axis, you'll see the current time displayed, usually followed by a short time zone label, such as UTC or another regional abbreviation. That tiny label is your gateway to changing how time is shown across the entire chart. Move your cursor to that time display and left-click directly on it. This brings up a context menu designed specifically for time settings. If you don't see it right away, make sure you're clicking on the time readout itself at the bottom bar, not elsewhere on the chart. In the menu that appears, you'll find two main paths. The first is to pick a preset. Presets are the simplest option. They list common time zones by region or abbreviation, and they usually handle daylight saving time for you automatically. If you regularly follow a particular exchange or region, picking a preset tied to that location keeps your chart aligned with local trading hours without extra work. The second path is to use a custom offset. This lets you set a specific difference from UTC, like +2 hours or -5 hours. A custom offset is useful if you want a fixed, never-changing offset regardless of daylight saving shifts. Keep in mind that custom offsets won't automatically adjust when regions change their clocks, so if your local time moves forward or back, you may need to revisit this setting. Once you've decided between a preset or a custom offset, select the time zone you want to display on the chart. As soon as you make your choice, the time axis at the bottom updates to reflect your selection. Take a moment to glance at the new label beside the time to confirm it matches your intention. If the charted times still don't look right, double-check whether you chose a preset that observes daylight saving time or a fixed custom offset. Switching between the two often resolves confusion. And remember, you can always repeat the same click on the bottom time display to open the menu again and fine-tune your selection. That's all there is to it. With this simple adjustment, your GoCharting setup will reflect the time zone that best fits your workflow and market focus.